The Rongmei people are an indigenous ethnic group primarily residing in the northeastern region of India, particularly in the states of Manipur, Assam, and Nagaland. They are part of the Naga ethnic group, which consists of several tribes with distinct cultural identities and languages. The history of the Rongmei people can be traced back to ancient times when they inhabited the hills and valleys of the region. They have a rich cultural heritage and a deep connection to the land they inhabit. Traditionally, the Rongmei people were primarily agrarian, relying on agriculture as their main source of livelihood. They practiced shifting cultivation, growing crops such as rice, millet, and maize. Over the centuries, the Rongmei people had interactions with neighboring tribes, kingdoms, and colonial powers. These interactions influenced their culture, language, and way of life. During the colonial period, the British exerted their control over the region and introduced administrative systems that had a lasting impact on the Rongmei people. The Rongmei people have a distinct language, which belongs to the Tibeto-Burman language family. It has its own script, known as the Rongmei script, which is based on the Meitei script used in Manipur. The language is an essential aspect of their cultural identity, and efforts have been made to preserve and promote it. The Rongmei people have also faced various challenges and struggles throughout history. They have experienced conflicts and tensions with neighboring tribes and communities, as well as with the state governments. The region has been affected by insurgency movements, political unrest, and ethnic clashes, which have had a significant impact on the lives of the Rongmei people. Despite these challenges, the Rongmei people have worked towards preserving their cultural heritage and promoting their identity. They have organized cultural festivals, traditional dances, and other events to showcase their customs and traditions. Additionally, efforts have been made to improve education and economic opportunities for the Rongmei community, empowering them to overcome socio-economic disparities. In recent years, there has been an increased recognition of the rights and aspirations of indigenous communities in India, including the Rongmei people. The government and various organizations have taken steps to protect their cultural rights, land rights, and promote inclusive development. The story of the Rongmei people is one of resilience, cultural pride, and a continuous struggle for recognition and empowerment. They strive to preserve their traditions and values while adapting to the changing times. Through their efforts, the Rongmei people continue to contribute to the rich tapestry of India's diverse cultural landscape. Thanks for watching.